Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a screenshot on TradingView. If you've ever wanted to quickly share your analysis, save a snapshot of your chart, or post a clean image on social media, TradingView makes it incredibly simple. This tool is a great way to share your trading ideas, document your strategy, or showcase your results. I'll walk you through it in a clear, no-fuss way, so you can start using this feature effectively right away. Start with your chart open. Look to the very top right of the TradingView interface, and you'll see a small camera icon sitting near the Trade button. That camera is your snapshot tool. When you click it, TradingView immediately prepares a still image of exactly what you're seeing on the chart. Price action, indicators, drawings, and layout included. It captures the visible area as it appears on your screen at that moment. This makes it easy to grab exactly what you see without needing to adjust any other settings. A quick tip is to make sure the chart is framed the way you want before you click. Zoom to the right time frame, tidy up any drawings, and hide anything you don't want in the image. For example, if you're focusing on a specific pattern, make sure the chart is zoomed in just enough to highlight that pattern clearly. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click the camera. It's a good idea to take a moment to check that all relevant elements, like trend lines, indicators, and key price levels, are visible and clearly presented before capturing the screenshot. After you click the camera, a compact menu appears with several ways to handle your screenshot. You can download the image directly to your device, which is perfect if you want a file you can attach to reports, send in an email, or archive for your records. This is especially useful if you need to refer to the image later or want to share it with someone who doesn't have access to TradingView. You can also copy the image to your clipboard, which is great for pasting straight into chat apps or documents without creating a separate file. This makes sharing your analysis with a team or colleagues super efficient. Another option is to copy a link to the image, which TradingView hosts for you, making it easy to share a simple URL with teammates or communities. This is ideal when you're collaborating in real time with others or posting in online communities like trading forums or social media groups. If you want to preview it full size, you can open the image in a new tab. From there, you can zoom in to double-check details or save it using your browser's save options, giving you control over how you store the image. Lastly, you can tweet the image, which opens your browser's Twitter Composer with the chart ready to post. This allows you to add a caption before sharing. This is a great way to engage with your followers by posting your trade setups or chart analysis with your audience. Sharing these insights on Twitter can spark discussions, give you feedback, or simply show your trading process to others. Each option does the same core job, getting your snapshot out of TradingView in the way that best fits how you plan to share it. If you work offline or need a permanent copy, downloading it is the best option. If you're moving quickly between tools, the clipboard option is fast and efficient. If you're collaborating or posting in places that accept links, the hosted URL keeps it lightweight and easy to share without any file attachments. If you're previewing or organizing, opening a new tab can be the easiest way to check the image before saving or posting. Once you've chosen the option that fits your needs, you're done. That's all it takes to capture and share a clean TradingView screenshot. Click the camera, pick your preferred output, and you're good to go. This feature is a fantastic way to enhance your workflow, whether you're sharing trading setups, documenting your process, or simply keeping a record of your charts. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using TradingView to share and showcase your analysis.